Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's get started. And if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the OHealth application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Tap on device icon right here. And on the device page, you should see your OPPO Watch X3. Now, wait until it's done connecting with your phone. Sometimes it takes a while, but once it's done, you can scroll down, tap on notifications. And here, if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see this pop-up and you need to tap on turn on, allow, turn on, and allow, and then you can go back. And now you should see the notifications settings page basically, and we can change some settings for our notifications. We can enable or disable the option to allow notifications for new apps, and basically this is, as you can see, we have two categories. We have notifications from watch apps and notifications from phone apps. And here we can manage the app notifications for the watch apps, so the applications on your watch, and the app notifications for your phone apps. And I believe it works both ways. So if you receive the notifications on the watch from the watch app, you will see it also on your phone. And if you see it if you see the notification from the app on the phone, it will also pop up on your watch if you enable it. And here you can customize which app basically sends the notifications. You can enable them and disable them for the watch app. You can also enable or disable the notifications for the new apps. So basically, if you install new applications on your watch, it will automatically turn on the notifications for them. And once you're done with the watch category, let's jump to the phone category, phone apps, which is more important in my opinion. And here we can enable or disable the notifications for the phone applications. And then we have also options like silence incoming calls on phone. So if you have notifications enabled and you receive the call, only the watch will basically have a notification sound and it will vibrate, but the call on the phone itself will be silenced. Then we have silence notifications on phone. Again, it will silence the notifications on phone, but you will receive them on your watch. When not wearing device, this option, when you enable it, it will sync the notifications even though you're not wearing your watch. If it's disabled and you're not wearing your watch, it won't sync the notifications. Then the next option is when the phone is unlocked. So if you enable this option, it will sync the notifications even though the screen on your phone is on. And then we have do not sync silent notifications options. You can enable it and disable it. And finally, we have manage app notifications, and here you can enable and disable the notifications for all the apps on your phone. And how it works: if you enable the notification or notifications, let's say for Drive, and you receive the notification from Drive on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch as well. But if you disable it, it won't be synced. You will see it only on your phone. So customize it to your liking, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications now. So we're gonna send ourselves message on Discord. The Discord was enabled in the notification settings, so it should be working. And we got the notification from our on our phone rather. Let's check our watch, and it is here, so it is working. And basically that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.